Good morning, everyone. So I'm just going to have a little bit of a domestic day here, doing some laundry. So I figured I would give some man advice on how to do laundry. So first tip is to fill up the washer before you put the laundry in. That way you can open it up in a minute or two and see if there's anything unusual, or I don't know, see if the water meets your quality standards. So I'll let that fill up for a couple minutes, and then I'll be back for more man advice on how to do laundry. Alright, gotta finish my laundry. Yeah, good enough. Should probably throw one of those test strips in there. Hey, why not? Okay, so got the test strips that I'm using. Well, don't have too many left. I have another bottle, but let's do a water test. So my plan was to do my backpack and the duffel bag in the wash. This test strips there. Oh, I should grab that. What color is that? For pH? Looks like it's purple. There is no purple. Yeah, that's fucked up. That's what color is that on the very end for pH? I don't know. Should have brought my flashlight. Okay. So I got my old duffel bag here. It's like a giant standard duffel bag with a shoulder strap from Mac. Got those for a trip when I worked for Royal Caribbean for 3 months, and it was awful. but those were the biggest bags that you could bring in the cargo area of the plane. Got a gray backpack. And this is the important part here. This is pieces of a polyester sheet that I never really liked. I don't like anything polyester, but I use it as what I call the balance load, because I can do something heavy on one side like a jacket, and then just, you know what, I probably should put these, see, I got a few different sizes to give me different weights to balance out the washing machine drum. So yeah, I use that big piece of poly sheet to balance out the big cargo bag on the other side. And I forgot the laundry detergent. Yeah, I like these little sheets. Nice and convenient, don't take up a lot of space. So there you go. Man advice. Get yourself a polyester sheet that you don't like. Cut it up into different sizes, and then you will have a balanced washing machine drum. Perfectly balanced.